Alright guys, so that's what the inside of a catback looks like. My uncle was just looking at my car today and he's like, it looks like someone put a burger in your car, or in your exhaust rather. And then I pulled that piece out, which is just like burnt sound deadening in the muffler. And then I've just been pulling all of this junk out. First this came out as one big piece. You see how burnt it is in some spots. And then over here, all this like hair stuff started coming out, and I've just been pulling it out. So I thought this would be kind of like a cool opportunity to kind of, you know, see what it sounds like with a hollowed out muffler. I mean, basically it would be a straight pipe then because I have no cats. So I'm gonna finish removing all the sound deadening, and then I'll do a cold start, and then we'll probably end up going for a drive. Alright guys, so I emptied out the exhaust as best as I could. There's like some metal retainer in there that's kind of not all the way corroded off, so the metal still has some strength to it, so I can't pry it out. But this is all the innards of that exhaust right there. Go. Woo! Hell yeah. So yeah, some of you have said, well, one person said that my timing belt might be too tight because of that whine. That's actually my transmission. Right now I have the car in neutral and my foot is off the clutch. But then as soon as I put my foot down on the clutch, the whine goes away. And so it would be the throwout bearing if the noise only occurred as I push the clutch in. But since it happens as the clutch is out, that means something is probably wrong with the input shaft, or at least that's what I've read.
sounds that this car makes. Plus, I kind of have an obsession with rev matching as well. I do it all the time, and engine braking, all of that. I don't slip the clutch too much because I know that's worse for it than rev matching. Oh, that time I gave it a little too much throttle on the rev match. But also, Ben Rice, he actually gave me a very good tip. Since these cars are tuned for 96 octane in Japan, you know, in the States, the highest octane we have at the pump is 93, or at least where I live. And so you kind of want the car to run a little bit richer on boost. So right now I think I'm like 11 to 12-ish. And I turned the boost down a little bit.
Thanks for watching, guys. That was a just a quick drive in my S13 RB20 with a gutted Spec D exhaust. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd take a quick drive with the gutted exhaust. I do have this Vibrant 3-inch muffler that I may or may not have put on there. I don't know, we'll see. So far, I like the way the gutted one sounds. It still does have some material. Hold on. See, like there's still a little bit of material in there, because that's like the retaining portion of like the sound deadening. And I'm assuming most of it rotted, but whatever's left on there still has like some good strength to it. So I wasn't able to bend it out of the exhaust or pull it out of the exhaust. But I don't know, I kind of like how it sounds now. It's noticeably louder, definitely. I don't know, if I get any problems with it, then I might just throw on the Vibrant 3-inch muffler that I have over there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for another video.